guys, welcome back to my channel. So this next video is me just like a kind of get ready with me. I did my hair, my makeup. This is how I do my makeup, how I do my hair. I'm no professional at all. But I just wanted you guys to see how I do it, I guess. I don't know. But that's not my everyday look. I mean, for work, they're lucky I wear makeup, first of all. But I just kind of put it on in the car at red lights and then sometimes in the parking lot where it's really, really dark. But whatever. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and let me know what other kind of videos you guys want to see. Love you guys. Bye. Okay, so I am by no means a makeup nothing. Okay, I just do my own. I turned it off already, but maybe it still has some heat left. But I'm just gonna show you guys what I use and how I do my makeup. I put some moisturizer on already on my face. I use two different makeups. I use the MAC, I don't even know what it's called, like the full cover thing. I use color NC20. But because I started wearing makeup to work every day, I needed to buy a cheaper makeup that wouldn't cost me so much to, you know, re-buy or whatever. So anyways, so I bought Fit Me. And then the first one I tried was the matte and poreless, which was good. Which was good. But when I went back to replace it or to rebuy it because I ran out, I ended up getting the Dewy and Smooth. So, and the only reason I tried this one is because it says it, what's that word? Oxytonizate? You know, the same thing this does. So it'll, once it gets on your skin, it kind of makes it look prettier after a while. Anyways, that's my understanding of it. So anyway, so again, this is just me. I'm not saying my makeup. Y'all don't come for me. You can give me tips, but don't come for me, because I'll come for you. Just kidding. I have to be nice on YouTube. Okay, anyways, so normally I just use my regular, I think I got this from the dollar store. Or maybe Target. Didn't pay more than $3 because that's my max. I have a whole bunch of brushes, but I don't like them. So I just put here, I got a big old pimple. Let's put a little bit more. I see. Good. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Okay. What? So, like when you're at the pool. guys that last part. I literally love highlighter. I wish I could just eat it all up. Anyways, thank you so much for supporting me, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment down below. I love you guys. Bye.